wife. Me a man and me have feelings. You get me? So when my wife tell me that, me no bother want to do no performance. My blood clot vibes dead. My vibes broke. What you tell me about? Me is a human being. You hear that? You get me? And she have me up from this true me not go up on the stage. You understand? But if you lower my feelings, what you expect? Me for go up there go perform. And when me go up there go perform, people say, oh, him never put out him this and him never put out him that. I better me not go up there. You get me? So by me not go up there, it cause one other tension. I so come now me and hear say me bad mind. You understand? You hear she say me not in a me I show you something now. If me walk in a house 21 times for a day and call to our kids them. You hear that? When me say to you, out of 21, if one time them call to me, God bless me to pussy clot. You hear me tell you? In a real blood clot life. So who into who from who not into who? In a real life now. You get me? I have love for my wife and I still love my wife. But it's when me hear my wife say me blood clot bad minor. I want to you, man. How the fuck there? A pussy my wife have a cocky me have me can't bad mind my wife and nothing at all. You hear that? In a real blood clot life. You hear that? Some things me don't even want for go in a fam. Cause I know me that. But me hear the pan a live a talk or something but me not in a youth them. And your youth them been not in a me fam. Your youth them been not in a me already. You hear that? So me don't know where you tell me about. And you talk about me a run. And I run me a run, I stay far. You see me? Cause they, as you and your royal crazy them say, me a hold you down fam. You see me? I mean I want to hold you down no longer. In a real life. I don't want to. You see me? I mean I want for bad mind you. So me just steer my ways. You understand? I used to. Me I not have nothing. Nothing me I not have. You hear that? Nothing me I not have. You get me? It's just the main factor. You keep on a come. And all when man tell you say, you watching up, me not in and argue, you still a come. I eat bring it which part it there. You hear that? Cause me see me a drive with you in a vehicle and me tell you, let me out. You still a argue with me. Till you gonna tell me say I'm a bad mind, now I'm a bad mind. You know what that make me feel? If you see I'm their own people, you talk say I'm a bad mind. You get me? And when me literally come out of the vehicle and I go around stranger just for show you. Me I run bumbo clock water for hear what my wife say. Bad mind you. Must be sick in the head, man. Before my bad mind nobody can hurt, man. My bad mind, my blood clot self. You hear that? In a real life, me I tell you that. So one boy with a bad mind, nobody can God life. Because everybody have them own 20 blood clot 4 hours on the clock. You understand? And me now you no know when we are go up or when we are go down. So me can't bad mind a pussy. You hear that? And me can't bad mind a boy or a girl in a real life. That's not my style fam. You hear that? So it's when me hear them thought they come from somebody where me love. You see, before it reach a point where it not for reach, you understand me? I say, I stay far in a real life. I never go live, you know. But for hear my wife over there talk some blood clot fuck about me a pitney. Pitney my bumbo clot. Pitney what? You see me? This is why me no pay it no mind. You get me? One blood clot person come rent the vehicle from my wife. You get me? And before me even get the vehicle, I turn to my wife and say, don't rent that nigga my vehicle. You get me? And my wife look for me and say, alright. And by 20 minutes after, she look for me again and say, why you gonna make the vehicle stay there when somebody want it for rent it? You understand it can't out do it business and whatsoever. See, from hear my wife start go behind my talk, me not have nothing more to say. Because me know what time is it. You get me? So I just leave it alone. You understand? Anyway, them rent him the vehicle. And when them rent him the vehicle, him go so boop and mash up the front end. I come a Jamaican, me see that and you know my wife sort it out back, whatever. They get me come back again and the man I go rent the vehicle and I look for my wife again and I say, don't rent the man my bumbuckler vehicle. Cause you see what happened last time. You hear that? And I see my wife go behind my back again and rent the man the blood clot vehicle. You hear that? And when she rent him the vehicle this time, I don't know what happened if a police lock him up or what. I send, she have to send, man. She have to send to her friend them for go for care. So me uptown Red Hills side. You hear that? So me know, for be a man, and see me I make talk, and nobody now take my talk. And me if pay interest in that, I want to man fuck blood clot that man, with the bumbo clot there. Make me my talk a soap, not even water, soap. You hear me tell you? Not even water, cause water have